In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom portfolio, official Webflow course trailer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new Webflow project for your portfolio, choose the right starting point, and make it your own with confident, clean customizations. First, open Webflow and head to your dashboard. This is your home base where every site you create will live. If you're new to Webflow, think of the dashboard as your control center. From here, you can spin up new projects, organize your work, and jump back into any site you've already started. Next, click the New Site button. You'll usually find it near the top of the dashboard. This creates a fresh canvas for your portfolio. Don't worry about getting everything perfect now. You can rename and refine as you go. Now choose how you want to start: a template, the AI site builder, or a blank site. Templates are great if you want speed and a polished starting structure. The AI site builder can give you a smart first draft tailored to your goals and content. A blank site is ideal if you want complete creative control and prefer building your layout from the ground up. Pick the route that best fits your timeline, skill level, and how opinionated you want the design to be. If you opt for a template, take a moment to browse and preview. Look for layouts that match your portfolio's vibe. Clean grids for galleries, strong typography for case studies, and clear sections for about and contact. Open previews to see how pages transition, how navigation behaves, and how the design responds on tablet and mobile. Choose a template that feels close to your vision so you spend more time refining and less time undoing. Once your site is created, it's time to customize. Start with global styles so changes cascade consistently. Set your color palette, choose your primary and secondary fonts, and define heading sizes and body text. Replace placeholder content with your own. Your name or brand in the header, a concise tagline in the hero, and a featured project to lead the story. Build your project grid with consistent image sizes, clear titles, and brief summaries that invite deeper reading. Add an About section that highlights your role, tools, and approach, and include a contact section with a simple form or a clear call to connect. As you design, keep spacing and hierarchy consistent. Use sections, containers, and consistent paddings to create rhythm. Add subtle interactions for polish and always check responsiveness across breakpoints. Adjust typography, stack elements, and ensure buttons remain tappable. Don't forget accessibility basics like descriptive alt text and logical heading order. That's it. Congratulations. You've created and customized your portfolio in Webflow with a solid foundation that's ready to grow as your work evolves.